Hi, this is Mary Ruth Cross with Treehouse Family Counseling Services in San Ramon. Today we're going to talk a little bit about depression. Sometimes the symptoms of depression are very easy to see, like someone who is sleeping too much or someone who's eating too much and gaining weight rapidly. Perhaps they're a little cranky and it doesn't seem that their mood is really lifting. Perhaps they're having some pretty deep sleep issues, wanting to sleep too much, not being able to sleep. Those are some really classic symptoms that indicate that depression is present. So what about that type of depression, though, that is a little more subtle? What does that look like? So first of all, it might be easy to minimize, I'm just in a bad mood. It could be that I just don't have a whole lot of energy today. It can be an unwillingness to be with other people. It just doesn't feel right. I don't wanna, that sort of an idea. So what do we do with that? Does that need medication? Well, the typical way to treat depression is actually a three-pronged way. First, that we want to do is make sure that the person who has some depressive symptoms is getting enough exercise. Exercise increases our endorphins, which improves our mood. Secondly, you want to be sure you're reducing any alcohol intake or any other drugs like marijuana if you are a recreational user, or other medications that actually act as a depressant. You'll need to be sure you're reducing that or eliminating that from your life. The other thing is being able to connect with somebody who can validate what you're feeling and help you figure out maybe what the underpinnings of the depression might be. So another thing that's recently come into the prescription, if you will, for the treatment of depression is looking at nutritional supplements. There's this really great book called The Mood Cure. And essentially what the author is saying is that there are not enough naturally occurring amino acids in the Western diet. So if you increase the amino acids you have in your diet, then you decrease the any possibility for depression or anxiety, as a matter of fact. And so that's something I often ask our clients here at Treehouse Family Counseling Services to look at, is reading the book and seeing if this might be a good first step in treating mild depression. So depression is something that really kind of zaps our energy emotionally, spiritually, and physically. So if you think you're having a problem with it, try some of these tips that I've passed on. And if you continue to have problems, that's when it's important to look to a professional, whether it's a marriage and family therapist or probably maybe even a consultation with your doctor to see if there is something more that's needed. Sometimes there is, and sometimes there isn't. If you have any other questions that you'd like to know about this, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help. You can visit us on the web at www.tcservices.org, or you can give us a call at 925-820-8447. Thanks so much.